Welcome to GTC Field Camp. Many people think that if you're going to fish, you need to get in a popular lake or a river where you're standing shoulder to shoulder. But today we're going to be fishing this small creek by our house. It's called Sandy Creek. And we'll probably be catching creek chubs and maybe a couple sunfish. That's what we'll try to catch. And we'll be drifting, and we'll be using these crappie nibbles. And alright, let's get going. Well, he's not going to win any awards for being a big one, but he was still fun. Fish juice. Well, today we're going to be using Berkeley power bait, these little crappie nibbles. I really like them for these small streams. The only thing about them is they come off really easily, so have to bring plenty of it. And I'm just kind of drifting the bobber. I'm not sure why I even have it on there. It helps just to kind of keep track of where your line is. Just make sure you get it right over the barb, and then just drop it in. Let it drift down. You want to make sure you keep your line tight, then you can make sure you can pull up fast when a fish strikes. Alright, well here we have the water going under these rocks here. And the bigger fish stay under those rocks until they see something that they want to eat, and they come out. And I was just drifting it under this. And I already pulled 2 fish out of here, so we're going to move, our little creek chubs. So we're going to move on and see what we can catch. There's a spot, there's a beaver dam up there, so it's almost like a little bitty pond or lake up there. And I've seen some sunfish in there, so we're going to see if we can pull one out.
What'd you catch?
Bait. Just a pike. Bait. Well, that's the end of our fishing. We caught 3 creek chubs and a sunfish, and used up about half a jar of power bait. And go out and experience some creeks and lakes by your own house. And that's it for the fishing today. Goodbye.